Hey everyone, today we are going to talk about top 5 free AIs which can change your life or maybe can eat your job, so don't share this with your boss. Let's start. Number 1. ChatGPT. As an AI language, it can help you with a wide range of tasks, such as answering your questions. It can provide information and answer your questions on many topics, from science and technology to history and culture. As a writing assistant, it can assist you in different tasks, such as proofreading, grammar checking, and generating new ideas for your written content. It can help you in translating your old documents which you are looking to translate in different languages, and it will help you to communicate with different ones. As well, it can personalize your old chat depending on your previous history of chat, that what you are looking for, what is the previous topic you are talking about. It can also help you in research of different topic by providing information and sources for further reading. It can help you in creative writing. It can generate creative ideas for your further writing as well, such as poetry and short stories. Also, it can be your entertainment buddy as well. It can play games with you, tell you jokes, or engage in casual conversation as well. Provide you entertainment and social interactions as well. Next in our list is OpenAI Playground. OpenAI Playground is an online platform that provides developers and researchers with access of powerful AI tools. Here are a few things which you can do with OpenAI Playground. OpenAI Playground allows you to experiment with cutting-edge AI technology, such as GPT-3 to generate text, language translator, and even create chatbots as well. With OpenAI Playground, you can develop AI applications such as voice assistant and chatbot using state-of-the-art machine learning models. Let's move further to JasperChat. JasperChat is an AI-powered chatbot platform that allows business and individuals to create and develop chatbot on variety of purpose. Here are a few things that JasperChat can do. Number 1. JasperChat can be used to provide 24/7 customer support, allow customers to get answered quickly and resolve all the issues easily. Number 2. JasperChat can be used to generate lead and close sales, help business to automate sales and marketing prospects. It can also be used as a human resource. JasperChat can be used to settlement HR processes such as recruiting and onboarding by providing information and answering questions in real time. JasperChat can be programmed to provide personalized experience for users, such as recommending products and services based on their interests and preferences there. JasperChat can be used for the educational purposes as well. It can provide tutorials, quiz, and helping students to learn in more engaged and attractive way. Now let's turn the table and look for BodyEgg. BodyEgg is Google AI, and BodyEgg is a powerful writing tool that can help users to generate high-quality written content quickly and easily. Here are a few things which you can do with BodyEgg. It can really help you with the written content. It can provide you copywriting, editing and proofreading, SEO optimizing, and content personalization as well, which will help you in content writing and resolve most of your problems. Now it's last but not least, BeingHere. BeingHere is an artificial intelligence system developed by Microsoft that is integrated in Bing search engine. Here are a few things which you can do with BeingHere, different recommendations as well. And the best part is container is integrated in this. So this is kind of a good AI tool if you are looking to search something on Google. Well, just kidding. This will only work with the Bing, and if you are willing to search something on Bing, then you can use this AI. Well, keep in mind, this will only provide you the data which is feeded in there. So don't depend on AI 100%. And remember, these all are developed by a human, so no one is going to take your job till the time you are good enough in your job as well. So focus on your work and don't waste your time by watching different videos there. Well, till the time, goodbye. Have a nice day. Mr. Nolan.